New day, new subject consistent video generation model, Phantom. They just released their VAN 1.3 billion parameter model, and looks like they will be releasing the Phantom VAN 14 billion parameter model very soon. Looking at their page, the results look very promising. We've been playing around with it, and we can get consistently good results. Mind you, this is on the 1.3 billion parameter VAN, and so don't expect the world, but once the 14 billion parameter one is out, I think we're going to get some very impressive results. But as it is, it's really good. So let's stick around and we'll show you how to run this on ComfyUI using the ComfyUI VAN video wrapper, and how to set that up and get this going. I will include the workflow that we are using in this tutorial in the comments of the video. So let's start our ComfyUI, and we're gonna go ahead and import the workflow into our ComfyUI. So you're gonna get a bunch of missing nodes, and we're gonna go ahead and install these using the manager. I noticed the manager didn't include the VAN video wrapper as one of the missing nodes, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that as well. Once that's all installed, go ahead and restart your ComfyUI server. One thing you will notice, depending on the day you're running this, the VAN Video Phantom embeds might not be available yet on the main branch of the VAN video wrapper. So you need to check out the dev branch until that is available. So I'll show you how to do that. So to do that, go to your ComfyUI installation and go to Custom Nodes, ComfyUI VAN Video Wrapper, and then just do git switch dev, which will switch you to the dev branch. And then head over back to your Comfy and restart your server. Okay, once you do that, and then refresh the node, you should have all the missing nodes, and you should have the VAN Video Phantom embeds also included. Now let's play around a little bit with this workflow. I'll give you an overview. The first part is what's included in the ComfyUI VAN video wrapper example. We added frame interpolation and a bit of upscaling, just because the 1.3 billion model could use a little bit of help on getting better results. Now the Phantom supports up to 4 input or reference images. They say that's the max you should try. Here we've set it up with 3, but for this example I'm going to start with just 2 examples, and I'm just going to bypass this one. I'm going to pass in a face, and I'm going to pass in a dress, and let's see what we can get. See if we can make this character wear this dress in different settings. All right, let's put in a little prompt and see what we can get from this. All right, now the generation is done. This actually looks really good. It took 447 seconds on an H100 for a 3-second video. This is at 1280 by 768, and this was end-to-end, including the frame interpolation and the upscaling. The dress looks good. The face looks good. All in all, given that this is the 1.3 billion model, I really like it. Can't complain much. Obviously, you can try different seeds, and then you can see if you can get better results with the face and get a little bit more cleaner, maybe better dress as well. Now let's try to add a third subject into our. Let's try to add a third subject. I'm gonna enable this, and I'm gonna add a handbag, and then change the prompt a little bit. All right, so here's our result with the 3 subjects. We got the face, the dress, and the handbag. This looks really good. The face is good. The dress is very similar. Seems to get the dress pretty good every time. The bag is very similar. I did have to run a few times that I got some odd results, but that seemed to be mostly my prompting. So working a little bit on the prompt and different seeds makes a big difference. And if you want to give it a try, you can always go ahead and go on to InstaSD, and then just one-click launch this. We have this and many other workflows that you can just launch and play around. especially if you don't have a powerful enough GPU